Well, hi everybody. I'm back finally. This clock, I think I've made 7 or 8 of these, but this one really has my number on it. I've been working on it for a week, and fortunately I am done. Debbie has a little stuff here and there to do, but I'm done. So there is our email, tuxedocatclocks@gmail.com. That's if you want to get in touch with me directly and buy directly. It's you get to get eBay's commission instead of the other way around. So anyway, so behind the picture of the 32 coupe is a set of instructions that came with this Weston 785. Let me show you. It's a 785 industrial circuit tester. And how do I know that? Well, I know that because that's what it says it is. So we have the control for the RGB lights, which are there, and also here and here and here and here, and there and there. Is controlled with this switch. So that goes out. This switch, this is a Raspberry Pico. And what it is a more interesting version of a Decatron, except this one's all LED, solid state, and it has a lot more going on with it other than just going around in a circle back and forth. As you can see, it's hard to see in this light, but there it went to all red, there it went to all green, and then it's all blue. I guess that's why they call it red, green, blue, RGB. It's not Ruth Bader Ginsburg, that's for sure. I hope I got that right, or I sound like a moron. Yeah, I probably sound like a moron. Anyway, this is what it looks like all completely done. As far as shipping goes, once the lid goes down and it's locked, unless you drop it off, well, I better not say it, but you're going to have to drop it off something pretty substantial to hurt it, because it's pretty well a done deal. I mean, I am working without assistant today, so hold on while I shut the door. Oh my, there it goes. There we go. So there it is in a semi-darkened room. I'll let you look at that. You got a little bit of cordage that came with it, little test leads. I put those up there just for fun. If you find you have to shorten them or something, there's enough room that you can change them up there a bit. There we go. So I guess I gotta go that way. There, that looks better. As you can tell, I just got done with this thing because I'm sitting here and doing stuff that probably should have been done before I started. So anyway, there it is in all of its splendor and glory. The only thing that's different about it is where it says ohm meter adjuster. Now it's a on-off switch for the Raspberry Pi Pico. You can tell I just love to say that. Makes me feel like I'm 3 years old. So anyway, Debbie has to clean it, and if you saw on Debbie's thing, she has this, she wants people to buy her a cup of coffee. Also, she has a bunch of art that she's, well, Debbie painted that picture right there. And if you're talking man cave or whatever kind of cave you live in, if you live with a bear, then it'd be a bear cave, but in this case, it's a 32 coupe Ford. I think that's a Ford. I don't know. That's almost 100 years past me. So anyway, let's see. What else can we talk about? I guess that's about, oh, the Weston. That's an original meter right there. And it is absolutely adjusted to carry the clock. As you you can see, it's going down. And there it goes back up. I guess I could stand here for a minute, but no point to that. Well, I guess I should show you the back. This is what happens when Debbie goes away. I lose my mind. So you want to put this thing in your living room, dining room, whatever room, some kind of room. I'm going to have to change that. I'll have to put a leg out on that somehow. So there is, let me turn the light on. Oh, the light is on. Okay, let me open the door. There we go. So this side is what it looks like, just the wood. And of course, that's the other four sides as well are the same way. There's that. As I drop it on the floor. And then there's the back side. Hold on. I knocked my air heater on the ground. That's not a good idea. Alrighty. Well, now that I've made a complete fool of myself, I guess I'll just give up. Put this back up. There we go. Now I'm going to put a foot on that top lid where it comes down and hits, so it doesn't wobble around quite so much. So, oh yeah. Oh well, thank you very much for your time. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you like it enough to buy it. Thank you very much. Goodbye.